Welcome to Reviewsinside.tv, the place where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions. Today we're looking at the Oster Blender with FoodSaver Vacuum Sealing System. Now, if you're someone who's really into smoothies or meal prepping, you've probably heard that blending is a great way to kickstart your day. But what if I told you that the way you blend could actually make your meals healthier and fresher for longer? Intrigued? Let's take a closer look at what this blender has to offer. First, let's go over the specs and features. The Oster Blender comes equipped with a FoodSaver Vacuum Sealing System, a feature that's starting to turn heads in the blending world. Essentially, this vacuum system removes oxygen from the jar before blending, which helps preserve vitamins and nutrients in your fruits, veggies, and other ingredients. Traditional blending can expose your ingredients to air, leading to oxidation, which degrades the nutritional value and causes that dreaded foam and separation. With this system, you're supposed to get a smoother, more vibrant blend, plus one that stays fresh for up to 24 hours. This model features a powerful 1,000-watt motor, giving you the strength you need to crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and tackle tough vegetables. The motor powers through even the densest ingredients, so you're not left with chunky smoothies or unevenly blended results. Alongside that, it offers 5 pre-programmed settings, which remove the guesswork from blending. Whether you're making a smoothie, chopping food, or preparing something else, these preset modes ensure that your blend is just right every time. Another nice touch is the 24-ounce vacuum-compatible storage cup that's included with the blender. Once you've made your drink, you can vacuum seal it, so you would store it for up to 24 hours, or take it on the go. So if you're someone who likes to prep ahead, this feature makes it easy to blend your smoothies or meals in advance without worrying about them losing their freshness. But how does it all hold up in real-world testing? Well, when I first set it up, the process was super straightforward. You simply attach the jar, choose your program, and press start. The vacuuming process takes just a few seconds before the blending begins, and the 1,000-watt motor definitely delivers power. When I made my first smoothie, I threw in frozen berries, spinach, almond milk, and some protein powder. The blend came out smooth and velvety, with no ice chunks or foam. You could see the vibrant color, which is a testament to how well the vacuum system works to preserve the nutrients and avoid oxidation. And the consistency? It was spot on. No separation or bubbles, just a nice, smooth texture. I also noticed it was less frothy than some of the other blenders I've used, which made for a much more pleasant drinking experience. Of course, no product is perfect. The one downside I found is that the vacuum sealing system, while innovative, can be a bit loud. When it's doing its vacuuming, there's a noticeable hum, which might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're blending early in the morning or late at night. It's also a bit larger than some other blenders, so if counter space is an issue for you, you may need to find a permanent home for it. But these are really the only minor drawbacks, especially considering how well it works overall. In terms of value for money, the Oster Blender definitely holds its ground. It's priced in the mid-range for blenders, but when you factor in the added vacuum sealing technology and the inclusion of a vacuum-compatible storage cup, it's a solid buy. There are other high-powered blenders out there for a similar price, but few offer the vacuum feature, which gives this one a distinct edge. If you're someone who blends frequently and cares about the quality and longevity of your drinks, this could be an excellent investment. So how does the Oster compare to other options on the market? Let's talk about a few competitors. You've got the Ninja Professional, for example, which is another powerful blender in the same price range. It's got a robust motor and decent functionality, but it lacks the vacuum sealing technology that sets the Oster apart. The Vitamix 5200 is a top-of-the-line blender, but it's also significantly more expensive. While it outshines the Oster in terms of build quality and power, the vacuum technology is something the Vitamix doesn't offer. For the price, the Oster is a solid middle ground option with unique features that are hard to beat at this price point. When it comes to build quality, the Oster Blender feels sturdy. The plastic is durable and the base has a solid weight to it. I wouldn't call it industrial grade like some other high-end brands, but for the price point, it's reliable and feels like it'll hold up over time. Given the 5-year satisfaction guarantee, you've got some peace of mind as well. As for customer support, I didn't have to reach out to Oster directly during my testing, but the brand is well known for providing good support. They have a solid reputation for responding quickly to inquiries, and with a 5-year warranty on this product, you know they stand behind it. Now let's talk about how long this blender will actually last. Oster is known for making durable products, and with this model, you're getting a good blend of power and longevity. While I haven't been able to test it over years, the fact that it's been life-tested for up to 6,500 smoothies gives you a solid idea of its long-term reliability. This isn't a blender that's going to quit on you after a few uses. To wrap it up, the Oster Blender with FoodSaver Vacuum Sealing System offers a compelling mix of innovation, power, and convenience. It's an excellent option for those who want to get more nutrition and longer freshness out of their blends. The vacuum feature is unique, and the blender itself does a great job of blending, making smoothies that are both smooth and vibrant. If you're looking for a blender that goes beyond just the basics, the Oster is definitely worth considering. Before we finish, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review from us here at Reviewsinside.tv. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you want to grab the Oster Blender, the link can be found in the comments box. If you already own one, drop your thoughts and questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay blended and stay healthy, because that's what we do best here at Reviewsinside TV.